I can do everything through Him who give me strength. Philippians 4:13. Friends, huwag mong sabihin na hindi mo kaya. Kaya mo yan, lalo na kung ang ginagawa mo ay para sa ikabubuti ng marami. Marami talaga ang mga discouragement sa buhay. Pero huwag kang susuko, huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. Just believe in yourself and trust in the Lord with all your heart. And lean not your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3:5 and 6. O diba? Manalig lang dapat. And leave it all to God dahil kaya tayo ni Lord palakasin araw-araw. Bye-bye for now and thank you for watching and God bless everyone.